so welcome to Batu Caves. We rode a grab taxi going here. It took us around only 15 minutes from our place in Fortune. So it's easier, only 28 ringgit. Because if you're gonna do the walking and bus ride and train ride, it will take you around 1.5 hours. So it's a good deal. Let's start our walk towards the stairs. So you have some rest going up. It's not straight going up. Earlier we saw someone almost fell over. He's holding a kid. Good thing he recovered. Okay, so another trick. Take it slowly, do not rush, so your heart rate will not jump so high. See the back of the amazing.
For women,
For the gods,
you have to wear long skirts or pants, or you have to buy a scarf to cover your legs. Because it's being disobedient to the gods here.
Still a temple, so we need to respect.
There was a newlywed here earlier. They walked on their feet going up.
Didn't saw that one.
5 floors up.
I think we are already halfway going up the temple. Take as much rest as you need. Do not rush. Going here you don't have to pay anything, but I think there's something you need to pay if you're gonna go inside. Let's see later. Go! Let's go!
I'm not ready for this.
So we finally reached the top of the stairs, going inside the cave, Batu Caves. When you're standing here, you'll feel the breeze. It's very cold. A great experience again, visiting Batu Caves here in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a temple inside the cave. So big, so huge. It's enormous. They have lights all over the place. So we'll see what's inside that place. We'll go there. Galing, no? It's a little bit dirty here. There's some water around the place. Yep, it's from above.
Maybe
there's a ticket counter. Main temple. So if you're going to the main temple, you need to pay an entrance fee. I think we need to be careful slowly here. The stairs is wet. Yes, I'm gonna check it out. So you'll see a lot of monkeys, pigeons, roosters, and people praying. It's a little bit wet. Poop, bird poop coming from the sky. It's smells something like a canal. There's some trash all over the place. It could be better. I hope they clean this. So this is your Batu Caves experience. It will take you around 1 to 2 hours to enjoy and do everything here. Just do sightseeing because going upstairs is takes a while. You need to rest so you don't get tired and don't catch your breath. There's a lot of trash also here on the stairs. No one's cleaning. I hope they keep it clean so it's enticing for everyone to see. Go, 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 go. Let's go.
I made it down. Alive.
Let's go. That's your Batu
I made it
Cave
out alive.
experience. Okay, so now we're going to Genting Highlands. We're gonna ride a cable car, the glass bottom one. Let's see what we're up to next time.